Okay, welcome back to Darish Zone, and this is a new video for the new add-on for the Retro Machine Ultimate Edition, and this is the second add-on dedicated to Vectrex, and there's a reason for that. The first add-on was released for the old Retro Machine, and this new add-on, it's for the new Retro Machine Ultimate only. Will be probably compatible even also for the new Retro Machine that will be released in the future, but for now we see it's compatible only with the Retro Machine Ultimate, because the Retro Machine Ultimate has a different design compared to the previous Retro Machine. So you can use the old add-on as well, no problem. But if you want a full compatibility, this one is better. First of all, there's also some improvements. This is the Vectrex for the second time was cut off from the Retro Machine. But I realized that some of you very love this system. I just you always have to respect love, big love. What is the reason? Because I decided to keep out the Vectrex system from the Retro Machine. It's not because I hate Vectrex. It's very not. It's because the Vectrex need the bezel. Because if you run Vectrex without bezel, let's see together. Okay, this time Vectrex have the overlays already enabled, okay? But if you disable the overlays like that, that's how the bezel, the vector games show. Is you realize that you very need the bezel for the system. You cannot play like that, come on. It's out of question. You cannot play like that. So this is the only real way you can play Vectrex, because just the original game has the overlays. You know that. So this is the play is meant to be played Vectrex. Okay. But this design, it's not compatible with my bezel manager that I created for the Retro Machine. So it was a problem. For that I decided to keep out the Vectrex. But then I changed my mind a little, and I thought that an add-on for the Vectrex might have sense. Assumed you can't use the bezel manager on this system. For that reason, I also modified a little the bezel manager. So you have to, on the add-on, you also do to overwrite the bezel manager script. Because in that case, the Vectrex will not be involved in the change, the skip between the system overlay and the scanlines overlay, because this time Vectrex has its own configuration to load the properly bezel overlay for each game. So you understood the bezel for the Vectrex and mandatory, so you just forget this script for the Vectrex. Okay, if you hate bezel, probably you are not interested on Vectrex. And I also included the save state manager updated version with the Vectrex, because Vectrex was not included. Okay, let's see together. Just go down until you find Vectrex was not included, and there you see Vectrex Now you can delete the save states also for the Vectrex. So basically you have a full compatibility. That was I meant for the updated pack. And also if you use Mystery Random mode, pressing select button and starts the routine of the Mystery Random mode, this time with the updated add-on, also the Vectrex will be considered for a random pick, okay? So let's try another one. The Vectrex add-on is dedicated to the VIP, so you need a VIP subscription if you want to use this, like just every add-on released. I've not decided if made this available for the Dizzy Point, sorry, for now, no. Berserk. Okay, you see, you need the bezel. That's it. Pole position. You see the bezel are, it's the same art for every game, okay? What it changes is that the frame, because the Vectrex games use an overlay, that is, it's actually part of the game. You cannot play like that. It's out of question. You cannot play like that. It's not the same at all. Okay. You very needed that. This is a very old system. Well, it's this hit hard on nostalgia factor. Of course, I don't think the Vectrex is a so mandatory platform for, but I respect the fact some of you love it. So okay, let's welcome the Vectrex. Why not? But just use this version made especially for Retro Machine Ultimate and the ones that will came after. You see even that one, the background, you need the background. Web warp. Okay, it's just a simple video to show this nice, cute add-on for the Retro Machine Ultimate. Let me know what you think. For the instruction, just follow my Discord challenge. You can find the invite, the description of this video, because it's very simple, but we have to learn how to copy the files into your API. So in the meantime, just subscribe to channel and we catch up on the next video.